Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change budget in Ynab. To change your budget in Ynab, the first thing to do is to launch open the Ynab application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. Once you are signed in to your account, from the main homepage, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. Now, select Open Budget in the pop-up menu. All of your budgets that you've added on your account will be displayed on the screen. To change to a different budget, select the budget you'd like to change to, and you can now easily change to a different budget. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.